You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this actor if you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of movie celebrity names. Stay tuned. English actor Robert, that's British English pronunciation, Robert. In American English, Robert Pattinson. Pattinson. Stress on the first syllable, the pat syllable. Robert Pattinson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.